Now let's add the mounting holes in our footprint. So let's check in the data sheet that there are two mounting holes on the left and right side, and they have a diameter, internal diameter of 1.50 mm. And let's see, I have just made this to calculate the dimensions. You can see over here that there are two mounting holes. On the left side it has a diameter 1.50. So let's first of all add mounting holes. So in order to add mounting hole, we have to go through the similar procedure to use the add pad tool. Click over here and click over here, hit escape. Each time you add a new pad, it will increment its number, like it's 7. Let me add another pad, it's 8, another 9, 10, 11. So let's hit escape to remove this tool. Let's delete these 3, as we want only 2 of the mounting holes. So let's first of all let me also delete this. We will copy that one mounting hole if once we set their dimensions, and click on the 8 and hit delete. Let's click mounting holes of 7, hit E. So for creating the designing the mounting holes like the one that are given in this footprint, you have to use the non-plated through hole. You can see on the right side that these holes do not have any plating inside them, and there you cannot make any connections with these type of holes. So these are called non-plated through holes. Previously we were using through holes, where you can see that there is a plating inside the hole and you can make connection with this hole from the top, bottom, or any layer inside the PCB. So for mounting purpose we are going to use non-plated through hole. So and what else it's asking for us, let's change the internal diameter, which is internal diameter 1.5 mm. So let's add the whole diameter 1.5, and the now the pad shape, let's add, give a 0.2 mm of annular range over here. So its internal diameter is 1.5 1.5 plus 0.2 on one side plus 0.2 on the other side. So in this way the diameter, pad shape diameter is 1.9, while the internal diameter is 1.5. And let's hit OK to see how it looks. This is our mounting hole on the left side. Click on this and hit E to enter its coordinates. You can see over here that the left mounting hole is on the left side of the origin. We have selected pin number 1 on the 0 0 coordinates. So its x-axis, as you can see over here, this is 2.10, which is distance between the pin number 3 and the mounting hole. As this switch is symmetrical, so the distance between the left mounting hole, which is currently this red circle on it, and pin number 1 or pin number 4 is also 2.1 mm. So our x coordinates will be minus 2.10, which I have written over here. And for y, as this is the mounting hole is in center of pin number 1 and 4 lines, like pin number 1 2 3 is in a single line, pin 4 5 6 in a single line, and these mounting holes are at center of 1 and 4. So total distance between 1 and 4 is 2.50. So if we do it half, it will be 1.25. So for left mounting hole, we have x coordinate minus 2.1 and y coordinate 1.25. So let's add our x and y coordinates. So our x coordinates is 2.1 and our y coordinate is 1.25. So let's just cross check 2.1 and 1.25, and remaining we have added the diameter, pad shape circular hole, and that's it, and hit OK. Now we have added our left mounting hole. Let's make a copy of this, and by right click on it, copy, control, paste, and we need to place on the right side. So we will be doing, hit click on it, hit E to open the properties, and in the properties let's add the x and y position for this. Let's go to, this is the right mounting hole. So this is at a distance of 1 is at origin, x is 0, at 2 you have to add 2 to 3, its x is 4, and then you have to add 2.10 to reach its x dimensions. So over here 2 plus 2 plus 2.10 is 6.10, that is x value, and similarly the y value will be the same, will be exactly calculated as the we have calculated y coordinate of the left mounting hole. So the right mounting hole is at 6.10 x coordinate and 1.25 y. So let's add it. The x coordinate is 6.10 and the y coordinate is 1.25. So let's check 6.10 and 1.25. Remaining properties are the same as of left mounting hole, so hit OK. Now these are placed over here, and let's save your work. Now what we have done, we have added the left and right mounting holes of our footprint. You can see over here that the left mounting holes are actually these holes which are done for these pins which are on the left and the right side of the component. Now we have what we have done now, that we have added all the pins, all the 6 pins, and we have added the left and the right mounting hole in the footprint. Till now footprint is not complete, there are still 3 more steps to go to complete our footprint.